What is going on, guys? It's your boy Andy in the house, and there is a code red for Bitcoin. And if there is a code red for Bitcoin, there's also a code red for the entire crypto market. And let me explain you what I mean by that. Take a look at this red line. Yeah, it's at around 61k. And once Bitcoin would close, let's say at least a 4-hourly candle below this red line, then the price could dump very low very fast. The next biggest support is in the area of around 54k, then around 52k. And let me show you why this is so important. As you can see here, we had a couple of here a short wick below it, here we had the touch point, and here also here a short wick, but we never really closed a 4-hour candle below it. And this is really strong support at the moment. But once we would close below this line, guys, then I mean it's not over, but in the immediate short term the bull run would be somehow over. But lower price levels would mean that you could buy Bitcoin at the lower price and of course cheaper. So in the immediate short term, we also have to talk about this here. We have this line here acting as resistance in the immediate short term here, and if we want to break bullish, Bitcoin has to break above this white line here. Yeah, okay, let me show you on the other chart here. As you can see here, this is a very strong level also. I marked the same line here as in the other chart in yellow, and this line here, yeah, this vertical line here marks the Bitcoin halving, which will happen on coming Friday. Yeah, and usually if you go back in time, always before the Bitcoin halving or around this time, the Bitcoin price dumped. The question is, as you can see here, this white line here marks the resistance line from the all-time high at around 73.8k. Yeah? So basically from this, we already had a dump, if you want to call this dump, of around, let's say, 14%, which is not really, I mean, for crypto, it's not a big move. So we could see even lower price levels if there are not some big players buying more Bitcoin, if the price would dump. So this green zone here, yeah, is very important. You can see here on the 4-hourly time frame, we had a lot of wicks and 4-hourly closes in this zone. Yeah, so this is very strong support. And the last line of support, the last line of hope, so to say, is this yellow line here, the horizontal yellow line. If you would have 4-hourly close below these guys, then we could go low very fast, guys. And if you also want to trade the upcoming volatility, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So for now, just keep this in mind here, this yellow line and this resistance line. Basically, you can say this is some kind of triangle formation. As you can see here, we went up here, got rejected here, found some support, got rejected here, found some support. So maybe, yeah, maybe in the bullish scenario, yeah, we go up here again, get maybe again rejected, and then at some point we break up through this white line, which is acting as resistance now. But we have to see, guys. Set your alarms. I would really say set your alarms. Put one alarm on the white line that you see when it breaks out, and also at around 61.1k. If either the upper or the lower line breaks, this is for sure a trade opportunity, guys. Yeah. And anyway, it doesn't really matter if the price goes up or down. We can make money either way. So let me also show what's going on with Ethereum. Similar scenario somehow. The red line here is the support at 3k. Yeah. This is also a very important psychological support because it's an even number, so to say. And as you can see here, we have a similar scenario because from the yearly high at around $4,070, this yellow line acts now as resistance, yeah, and the red line here as support. So we have a similar scenario. We are forming some kind of triangle. So maybe if we play out the bullish scenario, we find support at this red line, yeah, see a move to the upside. Maybe we get a rejection again, then find support again, and then we break up to higher price levels again, guys. This would be the bullish scenario. Of course, the bearish scenario, if we would have, let's say, at least a 4-hourly close below this red line. I mean, we had some wicks here, as you can see. But once you would have at least a 4-hour close below the red line here, this would be yeah, not very bullish, let's say. But anyway, guys, Bitcoin will be the leading indicator. So if Bitcoin breaks the support line that I showed you before, then anyway the entire crypto market goes down, because if Bitcoin goes up, all the other coins usually go up. If Bitcoin goes down, usually all the other coins go down. Let me also show the liquidation heat map, because as of right now we have a huge liquidity cluster here at around 61.5k. Yeah, a little bit above the support line that I just showed you. So don't be surprised if we go this low again, because they want to grab the liquidity, guys, and then more liquidity up here at around 63.9k. So I would not be surprised if we go so low to grab this liquidity and then go high, or the other way around. But I guess the exchanges will grab this liquidity and also this liquidity. So keep this in mind. Also, let's have a look what the ETFs are doing. As you can see here, volume wise, it's really declining. As you can see here, we had weeks with many hundreds of millions of dollars on a daily basis, and now the volume is basically declining on a weekly basis, and they are also not buying so much anymore. Yeah, I would say they are also waiting somehow for the Bitcoin halving on Friday. And yeah, this is what's going on right now, guys. Okay, set your alarms, be prepared, and anyway we can make money in every direction, so to say. It doesn't matter if the price goes up or down, guys. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.